she's got the light. Oh my word. Okay, so hi guys, today I am vlogging and I'm not gonna lie, it is like 5:30 currently. I've just been like really busy working today. I haven't had a particularly interesting day. However, I am about to attend a Zoom meeting, which is why I've got my makeup done. It's an event with Mercier and Genevieve. We're going to be making cocktails. I am so excited about it. So I just thought it'd be fun to vlog, and also I thought I'd vlog a little bit of tomorrow. Also, I just had a moment while I was doing my makeup that I need to talk to you about. Can we discuss the fact that Bake Off is back next week? I'm dying for it. I am so ready for dressing gown season. Like, honestly, Bake Off, come at me. Strictly, I'm ready for you. Do you know what I mean? I need to get my autumn cozy dressing gown out. Ooh, that is a task for later on. Anyway, I am gonna get myself set up for this event. I can't wait. I'm really excited. I love Jamie. So this is our setup. We've got cocktail making supplies, we've got a lovely mixer, we've got 2 little bottles of cute gin, love that. This is our recipe. What are we making then? A gin cocktail with grapefruit, honey, pomegranate and basil tonic. Oh, I'm excited for this. And then we've also got some actual Laura Mercier honey. How cute is this? We've got a pestle and mortar. I mean, Laura Mercier is bringing it. And then I've got my own little cocktail glass. Oh yeah, they sent a massive grapefruit. Look at that. And the event is for the launch of their new translucent honey powder. I have used this today. This is what it looks like. It's basically in the exact same packaging as their usual translucent powder. So like I said, I'm wearing it today. It's basically exactly the same as their normal translucent powder, except it's got like a medium sort of honey colour. If you can see that, I don't want to like get any more out because you know me, I'm gonna spill it everywhere. But I actually really like this. I wasn't sure how much colour payoff there would be, but actually I've put some tan on and this honestly like matched my skin tone perfectly. So I'm so excited to hear some more about this. And oh my god, look, they've also sent over like a notebook, and they've sent pencils which are around the back here. Honestly, I love the attention to detail. It is so sweet.
Our bartender for this evening, and Jason Hoffman, who is the Laura Mercier Global Beauty Director, joining us all the way from New York. We're thrilled to have you. So you all will have received your cocktail kits and your ingredients for the Bee's Knees cocktail. So please do follow along and enjoy.
There we go, right, I'm diluted and also just splashed myself with honey, so that's nice and sticky and gorgeous. Okay, so honey is diluted.
The cocktail's one of your 5 a day, Jamie.
What am I, see, that's the kind of cocktail I like. Okay, so we have grapefruit juice, that actually looks amazing. I'll go and do the big one. I'm quite tall, I can get away with more. You know, is everyone keeping up? Wait, I'm going to go in gallery mode so I can see everybody.
Yeah,
oh good, you're probably better than me. Sorry. Great. Speedy cocktail making. Okay, I'm going to put my honey water in. Wow, I actually think this is going to be really nice.
Okay, I'm having flashbacks, Jamie, to us in Paris, and you were saying, here, have some absinthe.
Do you remember that? No, I need to tell.
I barely remember that.
No, I remember we were asking for something that Sambuca, and they were like, we don't have Sambuca. And I was like, do you have anything like Sambuca? And the guy was like, yeah. It wasn't Sambuca, it was absinthe. It was absolutely ridiculous. Right, where's the top of my shaker? There it is.
Everybody is so excited for this, and I know we were just talking before everybody joined in, and I know Jamie's so excited because you actually said you feel like this color was made for you, and I feel the same way.
Yes. Oh my goodness, I did it! Right, okay, I'm going to go in gallery mode as well. Is everyone, oh look at everyone putting their glasses.
Looks so good.
Right, I'm going to try it just really quick, trying to see if I've done a good job.
This was her only job, was just to load the puff and place it in the tissue so that the makeup artist could then apply it later.
That was so much fun. This cocktail, guys, it's so nice. Look at the honey, can you see? Hang on. Can you see the honey dripping down the glass? Like, yes please. Jamie said that because she's tall, she decided to put a large measure in. I'm 5 foot nothing. And I followed suit. This is quite strong, but it is so nice. I'm into it. I have covered the table in grapefruit juice and honey, but it was worth it. So that was so interesting. You can use that powder to like blend out eyeshadows, to mattify like your lipstick, and it'll add a little bit of colour, which is cool. So I'm really excited to play around with that. Is somebody waiting for their dinner? Yeah? What are we having tonight then, babes? Beef and duck? Yeah? Okay, we'll plate it up then. Also, no, I don't iron my shirts. Who's got time in their life for that? You're just looking, I've got pants on, to be honest. Made an effort, put jeans on, didn't I? Doesn't look very appetizing. Oh my God, I love you. She's climbing up the cupboards. You are an angel in a cat's body, do you know that? I know. I'm going as fast as I can, chill. Here you go, my love. They also sent over this Laura Mercier cocktail apron. Is that what it's called? What are we thinking, guys? Cute? Could I pass as a bartender? I've never been a bartender, actually. Maybe I'll switch it up and get a night job with my new little apron. Actually, no, I'd be sacked within 5 minutes. I was not lying when I said I've got grapefruit juice everywhere. Morning, guys. So it's the next day. I've got up pretty early today. Oh my God. I did get up pretty early today. I woke up at 4:30 in the morning and I just couldn't get back to sleep. I'm putting it down to the new moon. This always happens to me on a new moon or a full moon. I just can't sleep. It's really weird. It's a new moon in Virgo today. Lovely energies, but yeah, I'm putting it down to that. I'm going to meet my friend for a coffee and some churros. But yes, I need to stick a fragrance on and then I'm ready to go. I don't know if you noticed yesterday behind me on the dresser, but I've got all of these fragrances. They go right the way around the corner. I've basically been trying out a load of Fragrance du Bois samples and I've been in absolute heaven doing it. But I've put them all down there on top of their pieces of paper so that I know which one's which. I've got a little system going on. I'm trying really hard to pick out like my absolute favourites, and it is so hard because there are so many amazing ones. I absolutely love the brand. I included Oud Orange Intense from them in my autumn fragrance recommendations, and basically they noticed, one of the brand directors got in touch with me and asked if I thought my audience would be interested in a discount code. How amazing is that? Like, they're such a prestigious exclusive brand. Like, they never participate in sales, they never do Black Friday or anything like that. They really rarely give out discount codes, so that would be so amazing. So let me know if you'd be interested in that, because honestly, like, to get a saving on a brand like that is just so rare, and their fragrances are so unique and just so like divine. They all smell so unbelievable. I don't actually know if any of you guys who watch my fragrance videos will watch this video because it's such a different type of video. The comments on those videos just warm my heart so much because I love fragrance so much, and when we chat about stuff in the comments, I can tell that a lot of you guys who watch my fragrance videos are fragrance geeks like myself, just by the kind of comments that you leave, and I absolutely love it because I don't have anyone in my day-to-day life who I can talk to about fragrances. I don't know anyone who is into them as much as I am, so it's absolutely amazing when you guys want to chat to me about them as well and we can have a little conversation. It's amazing. So if any of you guys who watch my fragrance videos are watching this video, leave me a comment and let me know if you'd be interested in a discount code. Like I said, I've literally tested out like 20 fragrances and there's more in these boxes. Like, it's actually insane, but I'm loving every second of it. I know which one I'm gonna try today. I'm not gonna tell you which one it is because I'm gonna let you know which ones are like my favorites. This is a strong one, so I'm just gonna like a couple of sprays. That smells so good. Oh my God, I'm dying. I've just brought this with me as well because it's literally been sitting in my house since my birthday in March. It's basically an invite from Dior to go and get a little birthday present. It's not because I've worked with them or anything previously or because of what I do. It's literally just because I buy from them. So I'm gonna go and see if I can redeem my birthday gift 6 months late. It's such a nice day today. Newcastle's looking all pretty. It's so warm. There's not a cloud in the sky, and it's literally like there's no wind or anything. Feels like I'm abroad. So I thought I'd do a little outfit of the day for you. I've got my All Saints leather jacket on, dresses from Primark, and high top Converse, which I'm wearing all the time. I love them. I'm a little bit peckish, so I've got myself some patatas bravas, got a coffee, got some churros on the way. These are legit the best churros in the northeast. Just putting it out there, at fuego. Thank you.
Did you let me sit with the baby?
Oh no, it's alright, thank you. What are you laughing at? You know when people are like, do you want me to take a picture of the two of you? And I'm like, no, no, it's okay. They must just think, God, like, just me. Just me. Like, I don't want her in the picture. Waitress brought us extra cutlery so that we could share. I was like, I'm not sharing these. Best churros outside of Mexico. I'm just on my way home now. I've got another Zoom call. This one's with Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm excited for that. I picked up my birthday gift from Dior, so I'm excited to see what that is. I wasn't expecting that. So yeah, that coffee and those churros were so unbelievable, and the weather's so nice, so hopefully I'll be able to sit out in the garden when I get home as well. So I'm back home. I'm gonna see what Dior have given me for my birthday. How nice of them. On the top we've got some samples of J'adore. Lovely. What else have we got? Ooh, that is das. Look at this little box. How cute is this? Ooh. Oh my god. Guys, how adorable are they? Like little mini perfumes. This is so sweet. So I've just set up for my Zoom event with Charlotte Tilbury. Let's just pretend I didn't have deodorant stains in the last clip. I literally took all my clothes off and jumped in the shower when I got home. I was so hot and I just stuck a load of deodorant on. I'm gonna join this call. I'm excited. So basically they're showcasing their Christmas gifting. Oh, we love a bit of Christmas gifting, don't we? I'm excited to see what they've got this year. I've been loving these Zoom events, you know. They're so handy because obviously I couldn't go to all of the events that I wanted to go to before the whole COVID thing because like I just couldn't be up and down. I'd have to be up and down London literally constantly. So it's so handy to actually be able to attend all the events I want to go to. And you can attend like numerous ones in a day and stuff. It's just so handy not having to travel. It's amazing. I love it. I've got 1 minute until this call. I hate waiting. You know, like when you're ready for something and you just get a bit like, that's where I'm at. Do you know what I mean? I'm confused. This event was meant to start at 2 p.m. It's now 11 minutes past 2 and it's still saying please wait. I don't know if it's just not working for me or if they're having issues with it. Usually if they're having issues, they'll like send a little text saying, we'll start soon, but they're not, so I'm wondering if the problem is me. It's 22 minutes past. Do I keep on waiting or do I admit defeat? I don't know. I don't know what the crack is. I messaged Charlotte Tilbury's PR just to see, like, is it just me or are you having technical difficulties? I don't know what's going on. I've never had this issue before with Zoom, but yeah, obviously she's probably very busy, so she hasn't got back to me yet, but I just thought I'd try anyway. But I might give it till like past. Okay, it's past. I've just messaged the group chat. Apparently no one can get in, so it's not just me. Phew, like I thought I was just being daft or something. I mean, I've done a lot of Zoom meetings before, but yeah, I guess they're just having technical difficulties.
You're now back. I hope you're happy to see us. And we have taken you into our gifting universe of amazing treasures. And so we have got, this is our first global virtual private live press event. Thank you, by the way. You're all joining us from around the world. And this is my niece Sophia, who a lot of you I think know. Hello. And we've been super excited, haven't we? These gifts, I just am so excited today to reveal this to you. And there is something for everyone, depending on how much you love them. You love them a lot. There's something amazing for them, just a little. There's also something really gorgeous for them. In fact, I'd just be so excited if you gave me any of these treats.
Oh my word, it is 4 o'clock. Charlotte had a lot of gifting, let's just say that. So yeah, I've kind of missed the sunshine now. It's a bit cold. I think I might just go and sit and have a cup of tea and chill for a bit. I haven't really got much on for the rest of the night, so I think I might just end this vlog here. I really hope that you enjoyed it, guys. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs from me. But yeah, give the video a cheeky little thumbs up if you enjoyed it as always, guys, and I shall see you soon. Bye.